I'm Keith. I'm the Vice President of L&L Construction. We started out in 1974 as an erector of structural steel, and in the late 1990s we started to make a rather aggressive push into the taxi crane market. We've gotten to where we are today with 14 cranes total. We have two Tadanos. We have still have our 160G, and we have the ATF 220G behind me, being our largest 250-ton machine. I think the Tadano product is second to none compared to all the other manufacturers we have, and we have a diverse fleet, and nobody else works like they do every day without having an issue. Even if they do have a minor problem, almost every time the operator can find a way to get through whatever situation that should arise, as rare as that may be. The more hours that crane's working, the more money we're making, and these things hardly ever go down. This machine behind us has been on this job on and off for over 2 years and hasn't had a single issue that has caused us to miss any time of work. Thankfully, I do have a service tech that is local and is at our disposal whenever we do need them. Most things are squared away within a day, if not right there over the phone. We have a service issue so rare that I couldn't tell you the last time we had a service issue. I believe all our operators like the simplicity of the machine. You know, they don't make them harder than they have to. They give them the features that they need to be able to run very smooth and very effective, but they don't load it up with things that make it cumbersome and difficult and tedious.
As far as operations of the crane, I think it sets up fairly easy, like the control functions and all the outriggers and suspension that you can operate from the outside pads instead of having to go into the cab. The counterweight stack, it's laid out pretty nicely, and the boom functions and computer in the upper cab are hands down one of the best we've run.
When I send that crane out, I know it's going to get our work done and it's going to be able to make the job the next day. It outshines any other crane that we have.